So I get a lot of questions and people wanting to know or see my setup, you know, what I do and how my flow is. I have a booth set up over the music section of the studio where I do the voiceovers, record the courses. I teach online, and I've been teaching people how to create websites, marketing for several years now. And I've partnered up with this awesome company from Bangladesh called Joomshaper. So check out their website, joomshaper.com. But I've been creating a masterclass for the software called SP Page Builder, and this is where I come back here to test it out. And as you can see up there, once I've edited everything and it's ready to go, then I come in for the final review just to make sure to test it out, to listen to it, what it sounds like. So, hello, Mathew, Tamin here from LearnGeniusFast.com, where we teach how to create professional websites without. So there you have it.